Alright, I'm going to do a quick check on the top bar hive. I also need to feed them, but I'll do that later. For now, we will just take a look at what's inside. Trying to get a little bit better angle here. That should do it. Alright. Food is pretty low, so I'll get some more sugar water for them in a little bit. But for now, these are all empty bars. There's some stickage. Here's our first one. That's our first one. Here's our second, and this is the one that has a few drones on there, right where those guys are hanging out. Right there. Alright. Get out of there. I still have not seen the queen. I mean, she's obviously laying eggs because they're making drones. But she's marked and she should be really obvious, and I just can never find her. I shouldn't be standing right in front of the entrance. I'm hoping I see her right on this one. Come on, baby. Not a lot of eggs being laid, which is kind of concerning. That's the other reason I'd like to see the queen, to make sure she looks alright. I see some more eggs in there. Still have not seen her. I don't understand it. Come on, guys, get out of the way. I don't want to crush you. There we go. A couple of bees on here with really good pollen on them. You can't really see it though, can you? See eggs in there. Oh, there's a larva. I don't know if you can see in there. Right in that one that's not quite capped yet, that one there. See a little white larva. And some more drone cells. So I don't know where the queen is, but she's obviously laying some eggs, not as many as I'd like to see. I don't think they've started building on this one yet. No, they haven't. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, 5. Yeah, that's the last one. So hopefully they keep going. All right.